Hello everybody. Okay, today we're going to do a couple of firsts. We're going to try doing a touchless or contactless car wash using these chemicals from Chemex, Stars and Stripes, and then we're going to try doing a ceramic sealant with the snake oil. So I got the Stars and Stripes from Large Car Truck Spa based out of Manitoba. So definitely giving them a shout out. They're the distributor for Chemex products in Canada. So those are the instructions. I already pre-mixed it in these foam cannons. So it's basically 4:1 ratio. Okay, and this is the pressure washer we're using. It's just an inexpensive one that I got off of Amazon. About 1200 psi, not a heavy duty one. But since we live in a condo building and there's no electricity or water outlet down here, we had to improvise using this along with buckets of water. And this is the car. This is my wife's car, Donna's car. It's a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Max Platinum in black. We got it December the 3rd. And it hasn't been washed since. It is now New Year's Eve, December 31st. So you can see how she uses it every day, about 1 to 2 hours of driving a day, driving throughout Toronto and outside of Toronto. So it's a bit dirty. It's not, we haven't gotten too much snow in Toronto, so it hasn't been a lot of rain that we've gotten. Oh, let me unlock it so that way we can get the mirrors as well to be washed. So yeah, we live in a condo building in Toronto, and there are going to be cars coming in and out. Got my son Miles down here helping out. Okay, so that's the car. Okay, we're going to set this up now. Let's start the stars first. So the leaf blower was not powerful enough, so we're using a microfiber towel to wipe it down. So not completely touchless, but close. But it looks great. I mean, what the Stars and Stripes and the snake oil have done, it just makes it really shine, really pop.